Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Gianchandani and I am a second year computer science student at Pandit Deendayal Energy University, and this is a project which is based on CPU scheduling, and I am from group 4 team 5. Our team members consist me, Madhav, Meet, Shailja, Yash, Jyotir and Preyash, and our project is about CPU scheduling. CPU scheduling is a process of determining which process will own CPU for execution while another process in a hold is on hold. In our home page, you can see some information about CPU scheduling algorithm. If you want to know more about CPU scheduling algorithm, you can press learn more button. In this you can find about in this page you can find out what is CPU scheduling, what is scheduling, types of scheduling, and what are four types of CPU scheduling. Our four types are first come first serve, PBS, round robin, and shortest job first. If you want to go to first come first serve, you can click on FCFS button, which is located in our nav bar. After clicking on FCFS, you will be redirected to a page and in which you can see details about first come first serve method. First come first serve is a method in which if a process come first, then it will be executed first. In this page you can also see characteristics of first come first serve scheduling, advantage, disadvantage, and algorithm. If you want to execute this algorithm, you can press simulate button, which is located at bottom of our website. After pressing simulate button, you will come to first come first serve simulation page, in which you have to enter number of processes. If we enter negative number, the input will not take this, it will only take positive numbers. After clicking add process button, you will see a table arrive. After that we will input our data. If you want to calculate, we will just press calculate button. After pressing calculate button, you will be shown our data, and here will be represent a chart in which you can see P0 came first, so it was executed first, then P2, P1, and then P2. After that, our second algorithm is priority based scheduling. You can go on priority based scheduling by clicking PBS button located in our nav bar. Priority based scheduling is a method of scheduling process that is based on priority. In this algorithm, scheduler selects the task to work as per the priority. In this, you will find characteristics of priority scheduling, advantages, disadvantages, and algorithm. If you want to execute this algorithm, you will press simulate button. Then you will enter number of process. Then we will click add process. Then we will enter our data. Then we will input our priority. After we click calculate button, P1 will execute first, then P0, and then P2. Let's see. You can see P1 executed first, P0 executed second, and P2 executed on third. Our third algorithm is round robin. Round robin algorithm, in this algorithm, it will execute in every task, but there will be a fixed time. A process will only execute for a fixed time. and then it will move on the second process, then next process, then next process. If the first task is not over, then it will again go on the first task, and this process will go on. Here you can find characteristics of round robin, advantage and disadvantage. If we press simulate button, we can simulate a round robin. Here you have to enter time quantum. Like if for example we will enter 2, then the process will only execute for 2 seconds, then it will move on to next process. Here we will enter our data. Then we will click calculate button. As you can see, first process was executed only for 2 seconds, then P1 is executed, then P2 is executed. As you can see, first process was not completely executed, then P0, like this process will go on. Then there will be a fourth algorithm, which is shortest job first algorithm. In this algorithm, the process which has shortest job, which is takes less amount of time, it will execute first. So you can see characteristics of SJF and advantages, disadvantages and algorithm. You can also simulate by pressing simulate button. Now we will enter number of process, then we will enter burst time. Here we can see it will execute first. P0 will execute because its execution time, the finishing time is less. Then P1 will execute and P2 will execute. Let's see. Then if you want to reset, if you want to enter again, you can just press reset button. Now we will repeat our process. For example, if we will put 4, 1 and 8. Now P1 will execute first, then P0 and then P2. Let's see. P1, P0 and P2. So this was our OS project. Thank you for visiting our website, and please like, share and subscribe.